welcome to another vlog. So, ang vlog natin for today is hatid natin si Caleb sa football camp.
Yay! Yay!
Alright, go sit, go. Open the door. So guys, hatid natin si Caleb sa football camp. And itong aking mount thing is ayaw na niyang dumikit dito sa aking dashboard. Kaya ito yung pwesto niya, pakita ko. So ito yung pwesto ng aking ngayon, nakadikit siya dito sa aking ayan, nakaganyan, nakakaloka. Kaya ito tuloy nakikita nyo itong aking manobela. Ay! So, ayan. So, ayusin ko to later kung ano yung para dumikit siya ulit. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pwede natin ilagay dito. Kasi, medyo mainit kasi. Hindi medyo, talagang mainit. Kaya, sobra yung init ngayon. It's 81 degrees. So, linisan ko lang itong aking Alright, let's go. So, ang start ng kanyang football camp is 1 o'clock and is 12:30 na. So, kailangan nandun tayo before 1. Si Troy and Natalia and Chad kasama ng lola nila sa store. Para sila kasi nga ihahatid ko si Caleb sa kanyang football camp. And si Chad magpapahatid siya sa sa bahay ng kanyang friend. So mamaya i-drop off siya ng lola niya. And then pag nahatid natin si Caleb sa sa kanyang football camp, yung football camp niya guys is only 1 to 5. Today lang yan. So, para ma-refresh sila yung sa mga nila last year. Kaya para ma-refresh sila. So, let's go sa football camp. Are you ready, Caleb?
Yes!
You ready? Huh?
Yes!
Yeah, so ready na siya. So, let's go! So guys, andito na kami. Ayan, sa football kung saan talaga games yung kanilang practice and everything. So dito na kami. And it is 12:40 pa. Next week is birthday ni Caleb. Maging 8 years old na siya. Oh my gosh. Alam nyo, nag-start ako mag-vlog noong nag-turn si Caleb ng 3 years old. I think meron akong vlog noon nung birthday niya. 3 years old siya noon. 3 or 2? 2 years old ata siya. No, I think 1 years old. I'm not sure. Basta, basta nag-start ako. Mga bata, maliliit pa lang sila. Wala pa si Troy. Nagva-vlog na ako and talagang nakikita ko talaga yung mga nila, yung kanilang growing up nila. So as in sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa ginagawa ko. So please mag-subscribe na kaya. Nasa 364 subscriber na tayo. Oh my gosh, thank you guys sa pag-subscribe. So sana mas marami pang mag-subscribe sa ating growing family. Ang arte. But yun, anyways, and then later on, or tomorrow pala is, today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, is Father's Day. Hindi talaga ako, handa itong Father's Day. Wala akong regalo sa asawa ko, wala akong card. So, kaya pupunta tayo ng store para bumili tayo ng card. And then, bibili din tayo ng cake na favorite niya. mga favorite ano niya, yun ang ating bibilihin dahil it's his day. Pero may work siya. So, magkakaroon tayo ng time para makapag, ano ba to? Magkaroon tayo ng time para maghanda, mag-decorate, ganun. So, magde-decorate talaga tayo. But anyways, I guess, ibaba ko na si Caleb kasi 12:48 na and I think meron silang free shirt na ibibigay sa kanila. So, I think yun ang susuotin nila. And, yeah, I think yun ang susuotin nila. So, yun. Caleb, you got your drink, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh, ang init. It is 79 degrees ngayon, guys. Oh my gosh. Lalagyan ko ng sunscreen si Caleb kasi ang bata is kahapon nagstay sila ng napakatagal sa labas. So, nasunog ang kanyang, yung dito niya, nasunog kasi hindi ko nalagyan ng sunscreen. And then, yung paa niya, namamaga. Kaya, hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging niya later on. Kaya, nako. Caleb, halika na. Let's go put some sunscreen on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Are you vlogging?
Not yet.
Are you vlogging, Mom?
Yes. Okay, other. Turn around. Turn around. You're like. Turn around. Turn. Let's see. In the back. Turn. Look up. Okay, here's your hand. Put it in your face, all over. Yes, all over your face. Right there, all over. Right here too.
Is that good?
Let me see.
Oh, it's so cold.
I know it's cold. I don't want you to get burnt. That's why I'm putting too much, because you already burnt as it is.
Am I burnt like a chicken?
No.
Is it like I'm like it? Is it like I was in the oven? Or
That's why we have let's see.
that's just a little stuff.
You're gonna be in the sun, dude.
All day.
So, ayan na guys si Caleb. Ayan. Medyo nahihiya-hiya pa siya. Ayan siya, ayan. Nasa gitna. Medyo nahihiya. So guys, nandito ako sa car and ayaw ni Caleb na iwanan ko siya. So I guess maghihintay na lang tayo until matapos ito. Oh my gosh, ang tagal nito. Hanggang 4 o'clock pa to eh. Or hanggang 5 pa. Kaloka. So, ayan. So, maghintay tayo dito. Hindi ko alam kung maghihintay ako or iiwanan ko siya. Kasi, I don't know. Wala din naman kasi ibang parents dito eh. Yung ibang may parents dito is yung mga maliliit lang na bata. Kaya, So, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung aalis ako. Iiwan ko siya. Kasi hindi ko matatapos yung gagawin ko kapag hindi ako umalis ngayon eh. Hindi ko maano yung mga bibilihin ko. 'Di ba? Ano lang naman, mga konting stuff lang naman. Pero grabe, ang tagal kong maghihintay dito. Nakakaloka. Ayun si Caleb guys. Ayun si Caleb. Ayun na. Ayan, nakita niyo ba? Bagal ni Dodong. Ayan na, ayan na. Kahit na masakit ang paa, sige. Ayan siya, oo. Ayan, ayan siya. So guys, ito ating posisyon ngayon. Buti na lang meron akong blanket dun sa likod ng sasakyan. And alam nyo ba, buti na lang din, mainit siya, pero meron siyang hangin. As in, sobrang ang lakas ng hangin. As in, ang sarap sa feeling. Kaya hindi ka na nandiyan sila sa labas, sa initan, kasi merong hangin. Oh, ang sarap ng hangin, grabe. Inaantok ako, oh my god. Natatakot naman ako matulog dito. Kasi binuksan ko lang yung bintana ko dito, tsaka dito. Alam ko naman na walang mga ano sa'yo dito dahil school to. But alam nyo na, hindi pa rin natin masabi. Kaya inaantok talaga ako, gusto kong matulog. Yan si Caleb guys galing tingnan niyo si Caleb guys galing ni Dodong. So, ayan guys, 4:01 na. Oh my gosh. Malapit na tayo matapos. 1 more hour na lang. Yun pa sila, oh. Ayan. Mga nakahubad na sila dahil mainit. Guys, ayun. Tapos na ata sila dahil naglalakaran na. So, ayun. Tapos na tayo. It is an hours na. 4:43. So, my gosh. Oh, my G. Hi.
We were able to take off our shirt.
Huh?
We were able to take off.
Oh, you did take your shirt off?
No.
Oh, you
We
didn't?
were able to.
Why is other is taking their clothes off?
No, you can take your shirt off. That's it.
I know, but why didn't you do it? You didn't want to?
You want? I didn't know if I was able to.
Okay, so are you guys done? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Guys, so meron siyang shirt and then merong trophy. Oh. Pero tignan nyo naman yung knee ng aking bebe. Oh, red na red. Huh? Are you tired? Yeah. Tignan mo yung...
Go to Levi's house.
No, you're not. We're going to Walmart.
Can I stay in the car?
No, you can't. You know you're not allowed to stay in the car by yourself. Silly.
I want my keys.
No.
I want my keys.
Ayan, ang ganda kasi meron silang trophy after the camp. Oh.
Can I have your drink?
You want some drink? Yours is empty?
Yep.
Okay. Thirsty? Drink some more. You gotta drink a lot of water. Alright, so let's go to Walmart, huh?
Yeah. See you when we get there.
Push! Pull! Bagal. Alright, come on, let's go. So, dito tayo guys sa mga card. Happy Father's Day to the man. I feel so blessed to be with.
Yep. That one.
Okay. Let's go find something first.
The wall or something.
So, ito guys, si Caleb. Gusto niya daw itong
Mega Quest.
Mega
2.
Quest. Which one?
Mega Quest 2.
2, tignan nyo yung price, $199. And then yung 3, I think that's the new version, $500. O, diba? Yan daw gusto niya sa birthday niya. And then, ito, pakita namin sa inyo yung nahanap namin.
Wait, the small
Tingnan nyo
one.
ito guys.
The small
Best
one.
dad ever.
Mom, I just
Tapos, pwede niyang tanggalin. If the badge fits, wear it. Ayan, pwede mo siyang tanggalin.
realized. Mom, look at
What?
that. Look at the top of that on the...
Yeah, but those are the case for it. Tapos, ito naman for sa lolo nila, sa lolo nila.
Real
And then, asan na yung akin? Kayla, where's the other one? Oh.
Where's the other?
Ay, nak naman eh. Tapos ito naman yun sa akin.
There's one over there.
And happy Father's Day to the head of the house. Ayan o. With lots of love from the CEO, chairman of the board, president, and manager of the house. And then here, hold this, Caleb. Nahanap namin. Top dad. Ayan. Si
Mom,
Caleb
what about that?
nakakita. What's that? Oh, that's the Caleb, tingnan mo oh. Mas expensive pa yan oh. $449 kaysa doon oh sa Mega Quest. Ito yung talaga yung hinahanap niya, VR.
Hey, Mom, how much money do you have?
I don't have money right now, Caleb. That's expensive. Kala mo naman we're rich. We're not rich.
Hey, Mom, Caleb has 200 something.
Okay, let's go.
And it's...
So, kunin natin to guys. And then, tong milk chocolate.
The chocolate,
Yeah.
the Oreo chocolate, take some sprinkles
So, kuha tayo nito
and make a
guys.
smile.
Para pang-decorate natin. Happy
And
Father's
then,
Day.
Mom, we make a smile.
And then this one guys. Favorite niya to, pistachio pudding. Kaya tayo. Kuha tayong dalawa. Yeah. And then this one guys, yung lalagay natin sa pistachio. Dito natin siya gagawin. Yeah, you're gonna make a pistachio pie right here. Yeah. Make sure lang na hindi ano. Tingnan natin yung sa likod. Nawala siyang crack kasi hindi na masarap kapag may hindi na maganda pag may crack eh.
And Mom,
So,
there's Hershey's Cocoa.
I don't know if there's 2 in here, but I think there's 2. There's only 1 in here.
Hey, Mom, there's Hershey's Cocoa.
So guys, nandito kami sa gas station. Pinapunta ko si Caleb doon sa loob para kumuha, magpaano ng gas. Sa cash lang ginamit ko eh. Siya yung pinapasok ko sa loob. So, how did it go?
Got it.
You got it? Okay.
Get
How
the
did it go? Get the receipt?
Yes, I had
Okay.
to wait. I had to wait.
You have to wait? Okay. You gotta squeeze. Okay, let go. Those. There you go. You're there dancing. You look so cute, princess.
You must be. I'm blocking you.
Okay, Natalia, your turn to throw them.
So my phone doesn't get smacked.
Snala, she should be somewhere. She was here earlier.
Yeah, she's been down here the whole time.
I made one in.
Sissy, what are you doing?
Everyone is cheating.
No.
Ah.
Don't say
Just
that.
make it at least a bit farther.
Oh, Caleb.
Too close. I made one in, but it. That's too far.
point. You get a point. Sissy, why don't you throw? Look at your princess. What's the matter, princess?
You didn't say hi to Daddy.
What's the matter? What's the matter? Hey, don't say cheating. Yeah, you're so cute. You know that I can squeeze you so tight. Ooh.
Charlie, come here.
What is that? Show to daddy, show to daddy. Say, where did you buy it? Where did you go earlier?
Where'd you go? Toy stop?
Say it.
Where did you go?
Broken.
Oh yeah, and Tim that works up there, he ran and got a magic marker so he could sign his cast. He was holding it up there for